I recently received a firm-wide email, Kirkland, stating that as of March 29th, attorneys and staff are expected to be present in the office on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The office will be open Monday and Friday, but showing up is optional. In-person activities such as practice group meeting, training, social engagement events will occur between Tuesday and Thursday. What are your thoughts on it? How might it affect your ability to make work? Okay, well, Kirkland is a great firm. Congratulations on being a Kirkland. It's one of the top firms in the country. I really have nothing negative to say about them. It's a firm that, in my opinion, is very well run for the most part and has lots of very big clients. They're reacting to a sense that not having you in the office is probably not a good thing. And it's probably not a good thing for the service that their clients are receiving. Part of what a law firm or a client gets by going to Kirkland is they get very good service. They get a certain quality of culture and a way of thinking about problems. And frankly, there is a long-standing kind of camaraderie among the people there that's very positive, and it's a great firm. So the only thing I can say to you is they're doing a very positive thing, in my opinion. I think the fact that they're allowing people not to work on those days is fine, but you do need to be part of that firm on those days. And even if you don't want it, I would say if it was me and I was trying to get ahead at Kirkland, I would probably try to be in the office on Monday and Friday as well. That's just what it's about. Kirkland's a business and they're an exceptional business and they help people's careers. They're a good place, but people will give you independence. People may say to you, you don't have to come into the office. That's up to you, but it'd be nice if you did. Well, that means you need to come into the office. People will say to you, we don't care if you take Mondays off. That's up to you, but you shouldn't, right? They don't want you to. Some law firms will say to you, we have no vacation policy. You can vacation as much as you want. No, they don't really want you to vacation as much as you want. They're saying that because they want you to, that you're expected to do these things. If people say you don't need to do this, you don't need to do that, you not doing that is sending them a message. Just put it this way. Say you're in a romantic relationship with someone and you've gone out on a bunch of dates with them. They've met your parents and that person asks you, do you mind if I also see other people? You can say yes, but would you mean that if you've invited them to meet your parents? You have to be able to read the signals. So this law firm is saying, we want you in the office, man. That's what they're saying. They're saying, we're going to be nice and we don't want to revolt. We don't want people quitting because we have a lot of work and so forth. So you're welcome to be there Monday to Friday, but you should, if it was me, I would be there Monday to Friday. I might take Friday afternoons off during the summers or something, but I would be there Monday and Friday. You have to use your own judgment. But if you're lucky enough to be at a law firm like that, you should do what you can to be there when the law firm wants you there. Again, if you're at Kirkland, I don't care who you are. I mean, that firm's Supreme Court clerks and hires and gets them to work there. That's a great firm. You should do whatever you possibly can to do well there. I remember one of my best friends said to me right before I went to college, he said something like, if I was you, and he didn't get into good colleges. And he was like, if I got into a college like you got into, I would do everything I could to just completely kick ass and so forth. And because not many people get the type of opportunity. And so what did I do? I worked my ass off and I was one of the very top. I was one of the few people by the school nominated for Rhodes Scholarship, which back then was based on grades. The point is, if you get an opportunity to work at Kirkland, you should give it everything you got. And that should be the most important thing in the world to you. Now, it doesn't have to be, but if someone is telling you they want something from you, then I would do it. That would be what I would do. But because you're lucky to have an opportunity to work there. Not many people get that type of opportunity. And lots of people get opportunities like that and take them for granted, but doing well there could set you up for the rest of your life.